today's video, nag-arrive ng aking makeup artist, Nonetheless Pao! Hi! Siya, anong preparation ang higiging ganap?
Siyempre, kailangan full glam tayo. Ganun naman natin si Miss USA. Isang Jay Huaton.
Oh my God! Thank you so much for support,
Watch
Pao! Ayan, nag-ready na sila. Busy na sila lahat. And we're all ready, guys, and the team are all glam up. And special thank you to Paolo for my hair and makeup to make me so glam tonight. Thank you so much, Pao. And to my designer, Mark Joseph Sayat, for this wonderful couture creation. Thank you so much. Magkita-kita tayo sa Galileo Events Hall at the City of Dreams. And I'll ask what you're wearing tonight. Welcome to Galio. And of course, the long wait is over. Ang itinaabangan ng aming mga hairdresser, salon owner, dahil ito na ang gabi ng The Crown. Come on, guys! So mag-i-interview tayo ng ating mga kapwa hairdressers, salon owners, kung ano ang suot nila today, what are they wearing tonight. Come on! So, bago tayo makapasok sa loob, guys, kailangan natin yung dito sa registration area para malaman natin kung ano ang table at set number natin. Come on! Ano ka?
Yung anak kong hentay.
Bongga, you're so bold. Dapat mag-nepolit ka. Table, ano tayo? 25. Sige. Ano? Start na tayo. USA. Very, very USA. J-U-A-T-O-N. J-U-A-T-O-N. Jay Waton, thank you. Hello, madam. And of course, we'll ask random guests for tonight. Who are they and what are they wearing for tonight? Hi!
Hello po.
What's your name?
I'm Jairo po. I'm senior hairstylist from Aesthetic Hair Studio.
Si Jairo. So Jairo, tell me what's your outfit tonight?
Ang outfit ko is from Insiran. Dress from Insiran.
Alright.
For
So very...
Lao.
Miss Palau, representing Miss Palau. Thank you so much, Jairo. Hi, good evening. You are?
Hello, good evening. I'm Miss Uganda.
She is Miss Maureen.
Yes, hello. The Maureen Salon.
Maureen Salon. So tell me about what are you wearing tonight?
I'm wearing a full color green. It symbolizes success for my business.
All right, green for success. Thank you, Miss Maureen. This is one of our representatives. So tell me, what are you wearing tonight?
I'm wearing Outer Bell Boutique.
That's the inspiration.
Representing Iceland.
Okay, thank you, Tar. Of course, with me now is one of the premium and prime name in the industry. Sir Edwin, tell me about what are you wearing tonight?
Well, this was designed by Jail Jeans.
All right.
Yeah.
Tell me what's the inspiration all about?
Just an fashion.
Just a fashion.
This one of my fashion.
All right. That's fashion. Thank you, sir. So, hi, what's your name?
Hi po, I'm Banjo Manuel
From what salon?
from City Salon Tarlac.
Wow, from Tarlac! So, tell me about what are you wearing tonight?
I am wearing my Princess Balda's creation.
Wow, country representing or what?
It represents myself po kasi it's very simple lang.
Yeah, thank you so much from Tarlac pa siya, guys. Thank you! So, guys, and with...
I'm Glenn Dumandan from Bataan, Estetika Salon ng Bataan.
Oh, from Bataan, one of our followers, right? So, tell me about your outfit.
Simple lang naman. Simple black. with long sleeve.
Sinong nag-design?
Miss Bao, vlogger ng Bataan.
Wow! So shout out to the Jessica Soto. Oh my gosh! Isang sample naman dyan.
Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Ako pong inyong kapuso, Jessica Soto.
Alright! With me na si Jessica Soto. May ano siya, may baong assistant. Thank you! Of course, I saw some random guests for tonight. What's your name?
My name is Cheska from Meg Salon and I'm wearing Karimadon.
Karimadon. So shout out to the stylist.
Thank you for my friend Juvenal Barrio for my hair and makeup today.
Alright, thank you so much. Hi, I'm Alexis. Alexis from what salon?
Sabel Salon in Cavite, Imos, Green Gate Subdivision.
Wow, so tell me about what's your outfit?
My outfit inspired by Michelle Deer.
Ay, correct. You're representing
Philippines.
So hi,
I'm Christian from Imay Artistica Salon.
saan yan?
Sa Lawag, Dasmariñas, Cavite.
Alright, so tell me, what are you wearing tonight?
Actually, I'm wearing a Albanian inspired with the
Sequence?
sequence beads and then with a pearl.
Yeah, the mother of pearl is in the air. Alright. Thank you so much. So hi guys, I'm with Sir PJ. So tell me, what's your inspiration about what are you wearing tonight?
So, yung inspiration natin ngayon is presenting from Sudan. Ayan. Yeah, so very simple lang. Kulang na rin kasi sa time para maghanap. So, yun lang. We're here in the crown.
Thank you, sir. O, diba? So guys, I'm with the person behind the spectacular and extravagant event.
Thank you, Jay.
Thank you, Sir Mon. So, would you like to tell something sa mga guests na dumating ngayon?
Grabe. Alam mo, sobrang
Overwhelmed.
na-overwhelm ako. Hindi ko kalain na ganito kami tatangkilikin, ganito kami mamahalin. Maraming salamat po mga fans ng Alpha 8. Sana po, bigyan niyo po kami ng lakas na ipagpatuloy ang mga ganitong klaseng events. Gusto lang po namin bigyan kayo ng kasiyahan.
Yes.
At gusto namin kayo ay tangkilikin ng inyong mga mamamayan na hindi lang kayo basta-basta stylist, kayo ay mga mahikero. Grabe ang mirakulong ginagawa ninyo. Grabe, maraming salamat, Jay. Salamat.
Thank you din, Sir Mon, for making and conceptualizing this kind of event. This is one of the biggest event na inaabangan naming mga hairdresser at salon owner. Thank you, Sir Mon.
Thank you po.
Of course, I'm with Precious Rica. So, tell me about what are you wearing tonight?
Simple lang yung suot ko tonight with a rhinestone. For rhinestone tayo tonight para glowing.
ito.
I am representing the country of Malaysia.
Wow, very
Diba? Yeah. Simple-simple lang yung atake.
Very elegante.
Yes.
Thank you, Miss Precious.
You're welcome, Mama Jay.
I'm with Miss Au de la Cruz, Miss Venezuela. Wow, so tell me about the inspiration of the look.
Of course, I choose red because this symbolizes the blood of, being patriots win the independence of Venezuela against the Spaniards.
Wow, perfectly. Ilang oras ang preparation ng ito, Miss Au?
I think, 3 hours.
3 hours.
Yes.
Wow, ang ganda.
It takes a village to have look like this.
Correct.
Welcome to the crown.
Thank you, Miss Au. Hi, I'm with
Nika Reyes.
So tell me about what's your look and inspiration tonight?
Okay, for tonight's a crown event. So, nag-portray ako ng Catriona look for Miss Universe Philippines.
Miss Catriona Gray inspired look. So, ilang oras ang ganitong preparation, Miss Nika?
Actually, nag-prepare ako around 2 o'clock in the afternoon with hair and makeup actually. So, that's it.
Sobrang ganda!
Thank you, Miss Jaywata.
Thank you, Miss Nika. I'm with
Jackie,
from what salon?
Snip and Dazzle,
Saan yan?
Tay-Tay.
Tay. So tell me, what's your outfit tonight?
It's a Denmark inspiration.
Denmark
Yeah.
yung country mo.
Yes po.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you po.
Of course, I'm with the lovely couple for tonight with
Rosel.
and
And Harry, of course.
of course, so tell me about anong preparasyon, anong inspiration for tonight's look.
Mabilis ang preparation for a gothic classic all blacks with the highlight of my white shoes, guys.
Alright, ano? Highlight talagang white shoes and you?
Ako, para lang mag-compliment ako sa kanya.
Yeah, very elegant.
Elegant
no?
lang.
Sobra lovely couple. Thank you, Sir Harry. Thank you, Beth. Thank you.
Girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Females made you just to trick me, trick me, trick me, trick me. 'Cause baby girl, you are so easy, baby. The only reason that I can do tonight is 'cause I know you were invited. The only reason that this dress is skin tight is 'cause I thought that you would like it. I'm only come for the secret of sights. Because I want you to like that. The only reason I can do tonight is because I really like you. And I can no longer hide it. Want to remember your mind then. The laces that close up your touches. Why just tell me that you feel like I do? Try because it's super smooth. Tell me I'm done. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Females made you just to trick me, trick me, trick me, trick me.
Patatalo ba? I'm with.
I'm Ashley Olazo,
And tell me about your inspiration of the look.
Miss Japan.
Inspired by country Japan.
Yes.
So ilang oras ang preparation sa ganito, Miss Ashley?
Inabot din po ako ng 2 oras.
Oh, 2 oras. So thank you, Miss Ashley.
Po.
Of course, let's take an interview with this beautiful lady. I'm with.
I'm Regine Bernardo, ang madamdamin ng lahat.
Ay, correction na nga. So tell me, what's your inspiration about your outfit?
Actually, pumunta po ako dito para maningil lang ng pautang ko.
Ay,
Charot.
okay. So may pautang
Kaya
pala.
ako si Miss India tonight.
Alright, super pretty.
Oo, halata ba ng Miss India?
Oo, very India.
Thank you.
So ilang oras ang ganitong preparation?
Siguro 1 day, 1 hour, and 30 minutes plus 2 seconds.
Alright, pero may nakikita ako mga...
Yan ah.
Alright, at may nakikita akong umaaligid-aligid sa'yo. Sino pa sila?
Ayan, sila yung kasama kong maniningil dito, si Wantok at Tukman.
Tawagin natin silang dalawa, ang dakilang maniningil. So ayan, so ang very obvious, anong name nila?
Wantok po.
At Tukman. So sila ang dakilang taga-singil ni Ma'am Richie. So yun sila guys, complete set sila. Parang ikaw ang genie na girl.
Correct.
Oo, parang siya, no? Parang
Mag-wish ka sa akin at tuto pa rin ko.
ay, oo, later mag-wish tayo. Hihimas tayo sa takore. Hahanapin yun natin yung takore later. Thank you so much for the time, Miss Regine. Nice to meet you in Mercer. Thank you. So guys, I'm with
Steffi.
Steffi. So tell me about what are you wearing tonight?
I'm wearing Filipiniana.
Oh,
The
diba?
Maria. Filipina.
Representing
Philippines!
Thank you, Steffi. At natapos din ang isang masayang buong araw. Magkita-kita tayo ulit sa Round 2026.